The flavor and aroma of caramel are usually described as sweet, given how commonly caramel flavor is encountered in candy and desserts. This can be a light aroma with only slight contributions to the profile of the beverage, or it can strongly influence the overall characteristics of the product. Caramel aroma is contributed by a variety of sources. Most notably, caramel aromas are derived by use of specialty malts that are called caramel or crystal, with other malts adding some caramel notes to beer recipes. Wort composition and boiling conditions can also play a role in caramel aroma contributions. Maturation in bourbon barrels, or barrels with high levels of toast or internal char, can intensify these compounds. Caramel flavor and aroma contributions in the brewhouse can be controlled through recipe formulation and selection of grains and ingredients. Malts can be selected by their intensity of caramel contributions, with the proportion of those grains controlled within the overall recipe. Boiling conditions can affect the intensity of these aromas, and the presence of unfermented sugar and or diacetyl can increase the perceived intensity of the sweet contributions of caramel flavor. In barrel aging, caramel aromas are common in barrels previously used for bourbon storage. Brewers can select barrels that exhibit the appropriate level of caramel aromas to work with the target characteristics of their recipe.